Today I am drawing and painting a cutting from my weeping cherry tree. This one's from my own orchard. It is a miniature tree which has started blossoming this week, and by the time it's fully out the blossom usually reaches down to the ground, so hopefully later this week it'll all be out. I'm drawing on my Bockingford block using a grey pigment liner, size 0.5. I began with a few pencil guidelines. I would suggest starting with the main line of the branch when drawing something like this. To emulate how the flowers look on the tree itself, once I was in the studio I actually hung it to my wall so that the flowers were going downwards as they are on the tree and not putting it in a vase. I didn't draw every bloom, I chose the ones that I thought would make a nice composition. When doing a botanical drawing, carefully observe how the tree has grown. You can see where the branch swells near where the buds emerged. You can see the leaves starting to grow. Really look at where everything is attached to make it a believable drawing. Things are rarely uniform in nature. To make your drawing look natural, have some flowers facing away, to the side, towards you, etc., and vary the sizes too, and include some buds. My drawing was quite linear and illustrative. I didn't want to add shadow and shading with the pen to such delicate flowers. I didn't use very much paint at all, keeping the colours very transparent by adding plenty of water. This allows the paper to come through, and the petals themselves were almost white, they just had that tiny blush of pink, so there was plenty of water in my pink mix so that it was just a little blush and not very much colour at all. The colours I used were rose for the petals, sap green and cadmium yellow for the emerging leaves, burnt sienna and rose for the bud casing, and burnt umber for the branch. I allowed some of the colours to mix slightly on the paper for the leaves and the buds, so the green, the yellow and that mix of the burnt sienna and rose, I allowed those to touch each other, because if you look carefully at the casings and the new leaves that are coming, the colours there are merging. The brush that I use is a size 6 and it's a sable and it's a round one. You will notice that I had my page upside down when I began the painting. I forgot it was weeping and had the page the wrong way up, but it looks nice either way. If you feel that you need a lot of drawing practice, if you're new to drawing, I can't recommend strongly enough that you do some observational studies like this. We've all got things to hand that we can have a go at, and it's a great time of year with lots of things emerging. And it doesn't have to be this complicated. If you're new to drawing and you lack a bit of confidence, just start with a single leaf or even a daisy flower, something like that. Observe it carefully and trust your eyes. Don't let your brain fill in the blanks, because that's what tends to happen. We go on to automatic pilot and we assume that we know what the shape of the petal is, or we assume we know what the shape of a branch is, without properly using our eyes. So keep looking again and again with your eyes to do that observational drawing. And then just add some very light colours with a small brush, nice and delicate, with plenty of water. Okay, so I'll pop some music on now while I complete this. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you've got any questions at all, do put them down there, and I do get back to you with my answers to those as soon as I possibly can. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy your own painting and drawing. Do have a go at doing something like this, especially at the moment with all these beautiful spring flowers that are coming out. Okay, I'll see you again soon with another tutorial or demonstration. Bye bye for now.